I have helped hundreds of families plan their big lap around Australia, and there is one mistake that I see over and over again that can push the trip back by months, sometimes even by years. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what that is, and more importantly, what to do to stop it from happening. So the mistake, what do people do? Well, they're in fairyland, and basically what I mean by this is they're in their planning mode. So they're telling all their friends and families, and you might be in this position too. You've probably talked to a lot of your friends about this big lap, this amazing holiday, and they're probably getting to the point going, awesome, just go on it. You've been talking about it long enough. You might be the type of person that's been looking at Facebook groups and looking at all these amazing destinations, sharing and saving a lot of Instagram posts and plating this amazing list of places that you want to travel to. And look, that's not wrong. It's awesome to have your dream bucket destination places to go to. However, there needs to be a turning point where it goes from you telling everyone and planning it all to actually planning it and actually doing it. So this is why people normally then get stuck in this rush of going, I'm going on this big map of Australia. So how do you get out of it? How do you get yourself out of fairyland, and how do you actually start then planning it? Because you'll find as you go traveling, the families that do it, and us included, we didn't have that amazing bucket list destination list. We had a few places that we really, really wanted to go to, but that was about it. We had general areas we want to go to. And yes, I'm guilty of it. I've been saving all the posts and all the places that we really, really want to see. But there was one thing that I was doing that a lot of other people weren't, and I'll tell you about that one in a moment. But what we really need to do is we need to get specific. So it's not, I'm going on a big lap. That's awesome. That's congratulations. But what we need to do is go, okay, well, when are you going? Have you picked out your departure date? And when are you going? When are you going to launch? When are you going to go from I'm talking about it to now till I'm planning it? You also need to work out your budget. So realistically, what is this big going to cost? Are you going to go for a month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, indefinitely? If so, how much is it going to cost you? So you need to work out realistically. Now, I do that by just jotting everything down, and I pop it all into a spreadsheet. I'll pop a link in the description below if you want to check it out, go for it. And I just found that this is the easiest way for myself to work out exactly how much it's going to cost for fuel, for your accommodation, whether you're going to caravan park, free camp, low cost, big four extravagant park, or whatever the case may be, but you need to budget for it. Likewise with your experiences. Yes, it's one thing to have saved up a list of 1 million perfect places that you're going to go to, but it's also another thing to go, I'm going to narrow it down to 2 or 3 must do, maybe expensive experiences. While I'm there, but can you budget for it, and have you budgeted for it? So therefore, can you save for it? So there's the difference between this lovely big list of, yes, I'm going to do all of these, to I'm going to actually now specifically say, I'm going to swim with the whale sharks. I'm going to walk around this rainforest and Daintree. I'm going to, etc. So it's the difference between that and specificality. I don't know, is that a word? Anyway, so the difference between those that are stuck in fairyland and those that got out are the ones that are specific. Until you work out exactly what you're going to do, you're going to just keep talking about it. So this is the thing. You know what the problem is. You've done all this talking. Awesome. I need you to pick a date. To be able to start your adventure, when are you going? Go get yourself a pen, go get yourself a calendar or Google Calendar, whatever it is that you want to use, circle it. So don't just say sometime in December we'll depart. Say, hey, December the 1st we're going, I'm going to circle it. I'm going to now go and tell some of my friends and family that we are departing on this date. Now, of course, you know, give or take, it doesn't have to be roughly that date, but that's not the point here. The point is being specific so you can now start planning towards an actual date. And this is a part that gets exciting, because this is a date that you're actually going. This is not the date that you're just going to keep talking about. This is a date that you can now go, yes, I'm going to get in my car and I'm going to start my adventure on this date. which means I can now budget for it properly. I can now save for it properly. I can then start getting everything, all of my plans in place to properly go and do my big adventure. So this is what you need to do to get out of Fairyland. Be specific, start planning. And you might be thinking, that's awesome, but how do I pick a date? So, well, there's so many variables. When do I actually go? What do I do? So if you want to know how to pick the most perfect date for your big adventures, I would suggest to watch this video here to go and find out.